SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to check battery health on iPhone 15. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If it seems like your iPhone's battery isn't lasting as long as it used to, or if you're experiencing weird things like unexpected shutdowns, then you might be concerned about the battery health of your phone. You can view the iPhone's current battery health by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the battery option from this menu, and then you can choose the battery health option that appears here. Here you should see something about your iPhone's current battery health, and you should also be able to see its maximum capacity. Unless something is unusual or if there's a problem with your phone, then this likely says normal, and your maximum capacity may be somewhere between 90 and 100%. As this capacity goes down, then you might start seeing different messages up here, and if it drops below 80% maximum capacity, then you might see an indication that it's time to have the battery serviced. If you would like to see additional information about your battery, then you can go back to the main battery menu, and then you can scroll down and see a graph of your iPhone's battery level, as well as your activity, and the apps that are using the most battery life on your phone. If you find that you're having trouble with your battery and you want to try to optimize its charging, then you can choose the charging optimization option, and then you can select either the optimized battery charging or 80% limit option. If you want to reduce your iPhone's battery aging, then your iPhone can learn from your daily charging routine, and it'll finish charging it past 80% right before you need to use it. Generally, your iPhone's battery is going to last longer if you keep it below 80%, so this is usually a good idea unless you find that you need that full 100% every day. You may also have the option for clean energy charging, and you can choose to turn this on if you would like to use that as well.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit SolveYourTech.com.